1 week later.
Well, hello. Good morning. And welcome back to my channel. It is Saturday. Don't mind my crazy ass hair. I am in Chuck, which is my husband's truck. I named the cars. Don't judge me. Here at my son's school right now. He is doing something for drumline. So I'm basically just waiting for him. They're doing something right now where they're packing up, I think, all the instruments in somebody's car. They don't have a bus, unfortunately. So I will be taking him. So I'm just going to wait here. I brought a book to read. Excuse me, because I am using my hands. I am currently reading A Telling of Medusa. This is Stone Blind from Natalie Haynes. So far, I really like it. A lot of the characters still piss me off from Greek mythology. Like, I can't stand Zeus. I absolutely hate him. I don't like Poseidon now. I haven't really read that many books about Poseidon, and I don't know Greek mythology super well. Like, I know of it, but I don't know very much information of it. But yeah, so we're going to read this. This is going to be another, like, vlog style. I think I am going to insert some clips from last weekend, which is when we went to Burbank. We did go to the park on Sunday, so I have a little bit of clips from that. Not very much, but a little bit. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's see where this takes us. Not very many plans this weekend. Deep cleaning today after I drop off my son, and then tomorrow we do have, I'm drawing a blank, the Super Bowl. I am not a football fan. I don't like sports very much. If anything, I can tolerate baseball. I have like a nostalgic thing with baseball because my dad actually took us to Dodger games when we were younger. So I do enjoy going, but I don't really follow the Dodgers. But if I had to pick a team, it would be the Dodgers. Yeah, I'm excited because they're gonna, we have Green Day playing, and now we've had Bad Bunny. Oh, I'm so excited. Free concert in the middle of a football game. And of course, good food. I mean, we always go to the, watch the football games and stuff, but, sorry, a car's coming in. I don't like recording in front of other people, which is the reason I brought my husband's truck, because it's tinted. Sorry. Yeah, so I always go to watch the football games, but I don't actually watch them. I typically take a book, or I stay on my phone because I'm just not interested. But yeah, I'm excited about that. So I'm gonna read. I'm gonna place you guys down and get a little bit of footage of me reading. I don't know how much of this will actually go into the vlog, but yeah, hope you guys like it. Peace.
Saw you paint a picture of a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same, but if you did, I'd still love you anyway. Give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine.
It's Sunday. I just did my skincare, put my most of my bangs up in a roller so that it kind of has that, lifted effect. But I wanted to show you guys. So I did some changes to my room. I know it's been a while since I've kind of done any vlogging or anything like that. But let me just show you some of the things I did. Alright, so I did buy this mirror because I wanted to be able to do something like, to check my outfits. This is my outfit of the day. Very cozy and comfy. We are going to go to my brother-in-law's house and my sister-in-law's house to watch the Super Bowl. I had bought this mirror to do outfit checks like that. It's really cute. It's dusty at the bottom, but anywho, it comes with room for clothes to hang. And then I have my favorite shoes, which are my Doc Martens. Ooh, maybe I can wear my Converse actually. But yeah, extra pillow, don't mind it. And then if we go over here in this little corner, which is kind of my corner, we obviously added some artificial plants because my husband likes his room to be very dark. So as much as I try to put plants in here, I can't. They would die. So same vibe with fake plants. This lantern here my friend Melissa gave me. I just have a like colorful bulb. We turn that on. And it gives this really pretty effect. I love it. I think it's really cute. And of course you guys remember, well actually I don't know if I ever showed you guys. I bought this little cart to put books away. So these are like all of my new books that I haven't really read. I think there's 2 in there that I actually have read. We have my Kindle and I forget what this is called. Intex print, which makes these little pictures that we have here. That's from our trip to Burbank, but yeah. Then I do have some of my Dog Martin care stuff there, and for my feet, because if you wear dogs, you know. If you know, you know. Then this is actually from my beauty room / office. I did pull this out of my closet and moved it over here. I have a lot of cameras and like art supplies I needed to put away. So we have some of my stickers. Move that one to the back. This is for school erasers. It just came in a pack. It was really cheap. We have a bunch of bookmarks. I didn't think it would come with this many. I think it's like to sell. But I just use it for my purpose of reading. Double-sided tapes here, regular tape. These are markers, highlighters, and pens. And then underneath that we have a pack of rulers. I only needed 1, but same thing, came in a pack. It was really cheap. Here we have my colored pencils. These I really like. It came in a really cool pack, but the box was just like estorbando. Taking too much space. So I did get rid of that and I just put them in here. These were the containers I used for my makeup. And then this was a pack. I don't know if I bought or if it was gifted to me, which came with like different type of mediums. So there are different pencils, but I kept them all together. We have a glue gun because I do use it sometimes for certain things. Can't remember. Oh, I got this for making my protest signs. That's what I got this for. In here we got my laptop, which my husband got me for school. I really, really love it. My baby. It's a MacBook Pro, I think is what it's called. These are all my camera stuff. So we have a mic, we have GoPro batteries, sorry, my Beats. This is the GoPro, and then we have another camera in there as well. This is for my new camera, which I forgot what you're called, the Osmo something 3, Pocket 3. This is a phone charger and handle for like when you're using your phone for stuff. We have a lens back here, some cables that I don't really use. This is more camera stuff, chargers, batteries, mic, accessory. This is for my Kindle. Lights, stuff like that. Film. And these are all like my tripod things. This is a chest cam. There's also a chest cam, head cam, different tripods. This is for the phone. This one's for a multi-purpose phone, multi-purpose. I have another one. It's just probably out somewhere and about. Kind of like my junk drawer, has a little bit of everything, and this bottom one just has like my hair stuff, since my bathroom is like right here. So yeah, that's basically my little corner. Right now I am gonna do my brows while I let my skincare set in, and then I'm gonna do my quick makeup similar to the Burbank video. I'm just gonna do powder foundation and blush and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm gonna fix up my eyebrows while I watch Wild Fern. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. I like watching her vlogs and her planty content. But yeah, that's basically it. And then in a little bit we'll head over to my brother-in-law and sister-in-law's house. Okay, so this is the look. Similar to what I did at Burbank, except that I have a lipstick on. But let me show you the fit. So I did tuck it to one side just so I have access to a pocket. And I do have my Doc Martens. I forgot what this style is called. These right here. The Carlson in black. Pretty comfy. And obviously, Cheshire Cat's still the main dish. But yeah, what do we think? For bag, I'm going to be using my fanny. So let me